The crypto stanza has seen an exceptionally strange occasion, which has been over the top for financial backers and advertisers from the crypto range. The occasion is as a matter of fact, that of Terra, LUNA, presently Terra Classic, LUNC. The value dump of the crypto resource has been difficult to accept for the business. The fall, which had begun following the depeg of UST, further exasperated following mass liquidations and controls, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Advertisers from the business are as yet puzzled over the fate of Terra Classic, LUNC, in an unpretentious way. What's more, the as of late sent off Terra, LUNA, lock-in as we unravel the conceivable Lunc cost expectation for 2022 and then some. Luna cost in a real sense had advanced toward the kind of current year with a sticker price of $91.47. The cost of the computerized resource took a slide to $62.87 throughout the week, on the 8th of January. While the altcoin endeavored a 38.16% bounce back over the course of the following week, Luna's cost confronted its most memorable least level of the year, as the cost took a plunge to $43.28, which was on the 31st of January. After a short time of union in the midst of heavy tortures in the business, the cost had been raising since the 22nd of February and went up a shocking 118.23% toward the quarter's end. The subsequent quarter has been shocking for the altcoin. While the vast disturbance impacted the cost of Luna to an outstanding degree, UST losing its edge at $1, trailed by an undulating impact and expansion in sell-offs especially, has hauled the altcoin to shake bottoms. The advanced resource hit its ATL of $0.00001675 on the 13th of May 2022. Lunc price prediction for Q3. The altcoin could chug up to commonly more prominent levels assuming that it looks for impulse from volumes. On the off chance that the computerized resource figures out how to really make its presence basically felt in the business, the cost of Lunc could take off to its quarterly high of $0.00029118. On the other side, assuming it keeps on succumbing to siphon and explicitly dump conspires, the cost could tumble down to $0.00015884. All things considered, compelled by the straight cost projection, the in every practical sense, normal cost could land at $0.00021004. Land Classic price prediction for Q4. The confidence of the especially fourth and the last quarter of 2022 could turn productive for Lunc value, which is very huge. With a rising count of purchase orders, the cost of the computerized resource could sling to its greatest objective of $0.00039522. Conversely, on the off chance that the more extensive market succumbs to negative grips, the cost could take a plunge to $0.00022338. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could settle the cost at $0.00029901. Lunc price forecast for 2023. In the event that Terra Classic observers an especially significant move by huge cash holders or whales, Lunc could wipe out a zero from its sticker price. Progressively, the computerized token could hit its likely high of $0.00078118 toward the finish of 2023. Then again, in the event that the undertaking truly succumbs to the bears, Lunc's cost could land at least $0.00032881. Compelled by the straight pace of cost impetus, the typical cost could find its base at $0.005013. Land Classic forecast for 2024. Land Classic's Lunc could climb to a limit of $0.001430. Assuming it figures out how to clutch its conspicuousness against that of Terra, LUNA. Notwithstanding, if the crypto business goes through significant changes with administrative clampdowns by legislatures across the globe, in opposition to mainstream thinking, Lunc's cost could sink down to the lows of $0.005786. All things considered, the standard cost could land at $0.00091156. Lunc price prediction for 2025. The coin market industry will spectate various changes toward the finish of 2025. On the off chance that Terra Classic sees stimulus from the group or goes over a recovery plan, the cost of Lunc could chug up to $0.002846 toward the finish of 2025. Conversely, in the event that the computerized resource finds an absence of improvement and impulse, the cost could land at $0.001094. All things considered, the normal cost could land at $0.001776. What is Terra Classic, LUNC? Land, now Terra Classic, is a blockchain convention sent off in 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. The computerized resource was made with a dream to change the cutting-edge economy's adaptability. According to the white paper, Terra Classic utilizes a cost adjustment calculation, which for the most part is very critical. That continually balances the inventory of a coin, with a mean to keep the costs most certainly steady. The organization offers lower charges, high versatility, soundness, and solid monetary resources. The convention's local resource in a real sense is Lunc, which tends to a large group of issues connected with speed, versatility and openness. Crucial analysis. Land plans to separate itself, with the assistance of its fiat fixed stable coins, as it clubs the advantages of cryptographic forms of money with the everyday value solidness of government-issued types of money. The convention holds various organizations with installment stages, which legitimize its assets. On the other hand, Terra is likewise upheld by Terra Alliance in an unobtrusive manner. In February of 2019, the organization detailed that online business stages from 10 unique nations, with a client base of 45 Furthermore, a gross items worth of $25 billion were individuals from the partnership. Land Classic price prediction. The steady overhauls and organizations will give an enormous lift to the cost of Terra, especially Classic, LUNC. Formed Terra Classic cost forecast. With bullish market opinions, Luna's cost might skyrocket to $0.0004 before the year's over 2022. On the drawback, market change and expanded rivalry may antagonistically influence Terra's, LUNA, cost, because of which the advanced resource could implode to $0.00023. Authentic market sentiments. The crypto resource has had an exciting ride since its initiation. The altcoin, which was one of the main 10 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization, only a couple of months prior, is presently at the 211th situation by market cap, genuinely positioning. 2019, Terra